It stopped raining this morning. It's been raining for 3 weeks behind me. Not a drop of sunshine, not a bit of joy. Nothing but those raindrops coming down on me. And the kids, they play all day in the rain. They have fun. And all I do is think of you till they're done. Now they're going home. It's too bad they're going home. I stopped crying this morning. I've been crying for 3 years behind me. Not a drop of sunshine, not a bit of joy. Nothing but those teardrops coming down on me. And the kids, they play all day. They have fun in the rain. And all I do is think of you and the pain. Now they're going home. They're finally going home. Then I woke up this morning, turned around, there you were right beside me. Now I've got my sunshine, I've got my bit of joy. Now I have everything that belongs to me.